Alright, I'm going to make this a short video, short as I can. I haven't posted in like 3 months and I've been working on a lot of things. So today I'm going to show you one of the things I was working on. In the past, I've already built this. That's the air tank and the 2 air pumps right there that activate the landing gear. And it goes right back here. There's seats right here. And this is the main spar, forward spar. It goes right here, and I've already drilled the holes and attached it once with just temporarily. Works well. So I've been working on these airlines. I will show you those. I've also been working a little bit on the rudder pedals and the rudder assembly, and I'll show you that. So let's walk out here. Again, I'm trying to make this relatively short. I've had problems posting the videos. I don't know why. So hopefully if I make this one short, I can upload it and at least get one video that since I haven't done it in a while. Here's the fuselage. Here's the instrument panel that I've been working on. And I've got that temporarily set up right now because I needed it on the back side. You can see this is the landing gear switch, and these are the airlines that come in. This is the pressure coming in from the pumps in the tank, comes in here. This one is the pressure going out to the landing gear, and then this one right here is the return that comes back. So right here is the pressure line comes in. It's a little dark right here, a little dark. It comes in, comes up through that hole that I showed you, and then the pressure line that comes down from the switch goes here. There's a T-fitting right here because one has to go out to the nose gear, and then this one goes back to the main gear, and then the return comes in here from the main gear, and right here on the back side in the T-fitting comes from the nose gear, comes up back up through the return. And then here I've got them laid out down through here. Just again, everything is temporary. Sorry about that. There's the pressure and the return line right down there, and I'm going to wind up spiral wrapping those, protecting them. Might even put them into a plastic hose of some sort to protect those lines, because you can see they're very close to things like rough, sharp rivets, and you don't want that. Plus they're going through here. This isn't very sharp, but you want to be able to protect those lines. And then it comes back here. I haven't cut them to length yet because I've got to figure out where the rest of the fittings are going to go exactly. That's something I'm kind of working on. And the pressure line that comes out from the landing gear switch out to the gear, it's over there on the other side. There it is, the green line going out. Comes back through there, and you can see the green. And again, I'll cut that to fit. But they have to actually run out to the landing gear, both the left-hand side and the right-hand side. All right, trying to make this short, and it's getting too long. Right here is one rudder pedal. It is pretty much fully attached with the cable right here that goes back to the control linkages in the rear of the fuselage. That spring right there, I don't know whether I can get you to see this. That spring, it's not coming in real well. I had to drill a small hole. Come on. There it is. Had to drill a small hole in that little gusset and then attach it there, and then it gets attached right there. And that was an absolute bear to get done. This whole rudder assembly thing has been a real pain because it's so tight back in there. And of course, here's the cable that comes from the other side. Here's the cable that comes from the other side. It runs up, attaches to the nose gear right here up in the top. I don't know if you can see that. And that's how you steer the nose gear. Okay, sorry about it. It's a really crappy video, but I wanted to at least get something out there so you can see what I've been doing. Okay, more to come.